kids, this is Teacher Isa again. I'm so excited for today because today you will learn the different sounds of the objects. Are you ready to learn something new today? Let's start. Look at the picture. This picture shows that objects can produce different sounds. Let's name them and let's produce the sound of each object. We have ambulance. This is an ambulance. The sound of an ambulance is wee-oo, wee-oo, wee-oo. Ambulance. Next, we have a motorcycle. This is a motorcycle. The sound of a motorcycle is broom, broom, broom. Next, we have telephone. This is a telephone. The sound of a telephone is kring, kring, kring. Telephone. We have train. The sound of a train is choo-choo, choo-choo. Train. Next we have drum. Do you know what is the sound of a drum? The sound of a drum is boom, 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 boom. Drum. Next one is an airplane. The sound of an airplane is ing, 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 airplane. Next, we have bell. This is a bell. The sound of a bell is cling, 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 bell. The last one is a clock. The sound of a clock is tick-tock, 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 clock. Now let's review the different sounds. We have ambulance. Wee-yaw, wee-yaw, wee-yaw. Motorcycle. Broom, broom, broom. Telephone. Kring, kring, kring. Train. Choo-choo, choo-choo. Drum. Boom, 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 boom. Airplane. Eh, eh, eh. Bell. Cling, clang, cling, clang, cling, clang, cling, clang, cling, clang. And clock. Tick-tock, tick-tock, tick-tock. Wow, it was a fun video, kids. I hope you learned the different sounds of each object. Till next video. Thank you for watching. Remember, Teacher Isa loves you always. Bye-bye.